Hey guys, Chrono Odyssey just released a new tech demo and a new trailer a few hours ago. If you're not familiar with Chrono Odyssey, they're the next big MMORPG, developed by a Korean studio using Unreal Engine 5. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, this is Bongonbe from Chrono Studio. Today, we're excited to share the progress of our flagship title, Chrono Odyssey.
Nice.
크로노 오디세이는 시공간까지 조작할 수 있는 MMORPG를 목표로
The vast morphing world of
2021년부터
Cetera.
시작하여 지금까지
When you hear morphing world, you think of a world that can change over time or change by traveling through time, because I know the game has some elements of time manipulation and such. So we'll see what else he introduces here.
Since 2021, we've been focused on creating an MMORPG that manipulates space and time.
Manipulate space and time. So that's why you're going to have a changing world. And that's a cool new, I don't want to call it gimmick, but a cool new mechanic, let's say, to an MMO. An MMO that manipulates time travel and time manipulation, a little bit of both.
With our team of nearly 120 top-tier developers, it has expanded into an open-world action MMORPG where gamers can enjoy action, adventure, growth, and item crafting in our vast open world. In this open world, players will have to manipulate their environments by traveling between past, present, and future worlds.
That's big. So the same environment will have basically three modes: the past, the present, and future. So I imagine this will be used for boss battles, traversal. Maybe some areas were destroyed in the future that weren't destroyed in the past. I'm trying to think of things from like Prince of Persia, because that's the only other time manipulation game I can think of right now. I'm sure there have been others, but that's interesting. Being able to travel through different modes of different states of time to either progress through the game or complete puzzles or tasks that are not possible to be completed in a specific timeline. So you're time traveling. You're a time traveling hero that can manipulate time. Off to a really good start. I like that concept.
In Cetera, there are 6 distinct combat classes and 18 weapons. All classes can manipulate space and time, giving players a unique battle experience.
So right there, what you saw this knight class do is basically rewind time, but his ability still cast. So he jumps down, casts an ability, and rewinds time to retreat to safety. So that's just one element of time manipulation that most likely there'll be tons of different varieties of in the game.
Players can travel through space and go to designated time zones.
This one's interesting. That doesn't really show time travel, but he's summoning a spirit of a wolf. But the time changed. It seems to have gone in the past. Maybe this thing is some sort of like guide in the past. I don't know. I'm spitballing here.
To gain advantage during thrilling battles. We've used data layers to create real-time environments and layer them on top of one another to enable players to travel through past, present, and future states of the Cetera landscape.
So this is very cool. This is reminding me of Lords of the Fallen 2, where you basically have like two realms that are overlaid on top of each other in the same map, and you switch between the two. But in this case, this game has three. You have the layer of the past, layer of the present, layer of the future, like we already covered. And it seems to drastically change the environment and what's in it. Like this futuristic, I imagine this is the future. The way I'm seeing the interpretation of the images is that some sort of space demon zombie Zerg horde invades your world, and it's taking it over in the future. So I imagine the objective as the hero character is to defend the future invasion by time traveling through three different timelines to counter the invasion.
Seamlessly. Players can gain additional resources through traveling to the past and fight against stronger enemies in the future. World partition allows us to efficiently create a map.
That's beautiful. That's massive. That's a massive map. Keep in mind, guys, this MMO is supposed to be like if you took Dark Souls type of games and Elden Ring and just added MMORPG elements to it. So it's not just that one player, two player, like people linking into your game type of experience. You're in an open world with, hopefully you're going to be able to see other players' characters walking about.
12 square kilometers with about 500,000 actors.
12 square kilometers.
Stream it smoothly to enhance the cinematic look and feel of the environment, all while allowing for multiplayer adventures.
Allowing multiplayer adventures. I really hope that the open world experience doesn't force you to only play with friends if they connect to you, like if you guys link up and then decide to go on a journey together. I hope that it's truly open world and you see other random people walking about. I hope it's not instance, is what I'm trying to say.
새로운 커스터마이징 기능을 통해 수많은
Alright, so they're going into the customization of the hero. I imagine since they're doing Unreal Engine 5, they're going to be using the meta humans. A lot of customization options I'm seeing here. So those who really like to spend hours before they even play the game just making their character, you're going to have a lot of options, it seems.
You meet in Cetera is as unique as your own.
이 자리에서 처음으로 공개하는 크로노 오디세이의 새로운 트레일러 영상을 함께 즐겨주세요.
Now, we are excited to show you our brand new trailer for Chrono Odyssey. Please enjoy.
Alright, so here comes the trailer. Now this is turning into a trailer reaction.